So I decided to do a taco for Taco Tuesday. And this design is actually pretty easy. So go ahead and get your paper. I'm using a Sharpie, but I want you to use a pencil. So if you make mistakes, you can erase, and make sure when you draw light on the paper, so when you do erase, the lines actually go away. So hold your paper horizontal, and the first line that you're going to do is a diagonal line. Pretty long diagonal line going straight down towards the corner of the paper like that. Alright, the next line you're going to do is you're going to make from this point to this point. It's going to be kind of like a curve. You're going to go up. So we're drawing the taco shell. And then you're going to start going down and connect. Okay? Alright, next line that we do, you're going to put your pencil in this corner right here. And you're going to make like a U shape. You're going to go up just a little bit like that, and you're going to stop. So this is the other side of the taco shell. Alright, inside the taco there's ground beef, and so all we're going to do is make a bunch of wiggly lines, small wiggly lines inside. You want to make sure you touch the other side of this taco shell, and you're going to go out of it a little bit. Okay, so the ground beef is actually hiding the other side of the taco shell. So we're going to go up a little bit, and then you're going to start curving in so it doesn't stick out too far. We're going to stop right here, and we're going to add some toppings. So whatever toppings you want, but I'm going to add some shredded cheese. So all this is skinny rectangle lines in different directions. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of cheese, and we're going to go ahead and do wiggly lines again for some more taco meat. Okay, and we're doing a lot of overlapping. So I know we've taught you that about overlapping before. I'm going to do a big wave curvy line. So that's going to be some lettuce. Okay, we're going to do some tomatoes, some chunks of tomatoes. So I'm doing some squares, but I don't want them perfect squares. Chunks of tomatoes. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit more cheese, so that's some long rectangles in different directions. You overlap, so you pretty much can design your taco whatever you want for your toppings. I'm going to do some small skinny wiggly lines again for some more ground beef, and you see how I'm going narrow. You get smaller and smaller. You don't want it to be the ingredients inside cannot be huge. It's got to stay proportioned to the shape of the taco. Okay, I'm going to do some more skinny rectangles for some cheese, a little bit more ground beef, and it really just looks like a bunch of lines, but once you color, and then right here at the end, you barely have anything coming out on this side. Alright, so that is your taco, which is pretty easy. And you go ahead and get your color pencils or your crayons. You color your taco shell a beige tan color. Cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, ground beef is brown. And make sure you overlap, shade, and have fun doing a very easy how to draw a taco for Taco Tuesday.